06 of 2025 and later transferred to DCI headquarters for the occurrence book number 25/05/06 of 2025. At DCI headquarters, Kevin Miude provided a statement and disclosed the involvement of 4 other individuals, one being Albert Ojwang, now the deceased, Dorcas Mawia, Douglas Maligiri, and Peter Bogwa. He also chaired their respective X-account handles. The team's analysis of Albert Ojwang's X-account revealed that he had posted similar defamatory content, and consequently, on 7th June 2025, the investigation team traveled to Homa Bay County and reported to Mawego Police Station. They were provided with 3 officers from the station by the officer commanding the station, the local OCS, to accompany them, and subsequently, Albert Ojwang was arrested and booked for the OB number 09/07/06/2025. His departure for Nairobi was recorded for the OB number 11/07/06/2025 in the same police station.